Thank you, Madam Speaker. As stated, Fiji, being a party to CEDAW since 1995, carries an obligation to submit state reports on a 4-yearly basis to the CEDAW Committee in Geneva. Part of that obligation, Madam Speaker, is to advise and inform the CEDAW Committee on how Fiji is doing on a national level on the implementation of our international obligations under CEDAW. Earlier this year, Madam Speaker, a Fijian delegation comprising of myself and the staff, permanent secretary, and also the director women, including an officer from the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Health, the Solicitor General's office, and also the PRUNOG's office in Geneva. We fronted up before the CEDAW committee to answer questions on our 5th state report. And it was a great experience for Fiji as a nation to realize that there is a committee internationally that actually monitors our work nationally and to advise us on steps forward, how we can further strengthen our national efforts, not only on government side, but also non-government organizations and civil society organizations, on how we can further our aim in fully implementing our international obligations under CEDAW. So yes, Madam Speaker, that has been done, and we are now working towards implementation of those observations. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.